Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you go and check Windows updates, you might have seen that there's now an update, which is KB5086672 here. So we talked about the preview update that was released last week that was broken for some on the install. Mine did work, but 507.93.91 was failing on many computers. Microsoft pulled it, and you see that the ending was 26100 or 26200.8116. So the new one brings the update to 28117, actually, a very small increment update here, 8117, as you see. It's installing now. So it seems that even if you have the old update, you are going to get that new update because it's a cumulative update. And it is a fix. It's actually the kind of a re-release of the preview update. So this is the fixed update that should not fail for PCs. It replaces that other update that some of you like me might have had. And if you didn't have it, well, you'll have this instead to replace the older update. So it was released late yesterday, March 31st, and it is the preview updates with the fixing of the bug that prevented a lot of you from actually installing it. It was pretty much stuck in a boot loop, basically. So hopefully this is going to work well and be okay. So it replaces the old update, and it is available. So check it out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.